Hello, this is a video on internal point of division. Basically, when the point is not in the midpoint, we cannot use taking the average because it's not in the middle. Now we have to use ratio, and the ratios are R to S usually. They use these letters. And I will teach you how to use this complicated formula. Number 1, find P. So the coordinates of P are x and y. Let's go like let P equals to x to y, x and y. Now we're gonna find x and y, okay? For x, AP to PB is 2 to 5. AP is 2, and then PB is 5. So we have to write it down there too, so it doesn't confuse us. For x, we're gonna look at the x coordinate. So we're just gonna consider the x coordinate of A and B. We don't consider the y, it's irrelevant to y. Now, how we're gonna use this ratio is we cannot take average because it's not in the middle again. It's somewhere on the line, but not in the middle. So what I usually do as a student is, for example, 9 here, I'm gonna multiply it with the furthest ratio number, 5. Or you can think about it, 5 is gonna multiply to the furthest point, 9. So what I'm gonna do is 5 times 9 will be multiplied together, plus 2 will multiply to the furthest point, 2. So 2 times 2. Again, we are multiplying the x coordinates only, don't touch the y. At the bottom of the fraction are basically the sum of the two ratios, 5 plus 2. So calculate top and bottom separately. We have 45 plus 4, 49, divided by 7, you would get 7. Now you're gonna do the same for y. Y equals to 5 multiplying to the furthest y coordinate, the opposite point, 5 times 11. Plus 2 times 2. Sorry, no, 2 times negative 3. Divided by 5 plus 2. 55 minus 6 will be 49 again. 49 divided by 7, you got a coordinate of 7. So therefore P is equals to 7, 7. Now sometimes the P in the middle, not really the middle, like somewhere in the middle, is given, but not the side points, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make x and y into A. Let A equals to x to y. So we're gonna pretend we're finding P, x, y here. Oh, and then the ratio AP to PB is 3 to 4. AP is 3, PB is 4. So I'm gonna multiply, suppose I multiply 3 with 12, right? The opposite point. So 3 times 12 plus 4 multiplied to the opposite point, x, 4 times x, divided by 3 plus 4, the ratio added together. Suppose this is equals to P, which is the x coordinate 4. Now we need to solve x. We have 36 plus 4x over 7 equals to 4. Move things around, you end up with 4 times 7, 28, 28 minus 36. I need my calculator now. Negative 8. So you have 4x equals to negative 8 after moving things around. X equals to negative 8 divided by 4, negative 2. Now we're gonna do the same for y. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 plus 4 times y over 3 plus 4 equals to the midpoint 7. 7 times 7, 49. 49 minus 9, 40. 4y equals to 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Therefore, our coordinates for A is negative 2 and 10. So those two are the main ones that usually come out. I don't see. Oh, maybe there are those with ratio, but these are very difficult. I'm not really going to go through it. Is it simultaneous? No, it's not simultaneous. I think it's just solving unknown as well. Let me try. So it's AP to PB, AP to PB, AP 1, PB, N. So let's make an equation. We have 1 times 2 plus N times -7 over 1 plus N equals to the midpoint -4. Yeah, you just solve N in this case. There are 2 N's, but that's solvable. It's just annoying. So that's it for this video. Those are the basics that you need to know. And ask me any questions when you see me. Goodbye.